Connecting two computers together is incredibly easy. You just run a single wire between them. But what happens when you want to connect 5 computers so they can all talk to each other? The obvious idea is to connect every single computer to every other computer. But look at this tangled mess. It requires a ton of cables, and adding just one more computer makes it a nightmare. Pause here and predict. How could we connect all of these devices using just one single straight wire? Instead of a web, we can use a single shared cable, which is the brilliant idea behind a bus topology. In computer networking, this setup is called a bus topology. To understand it, imagine a long hallway in a house with several different rooms attached to it. That main yellow cable is called the backbone. Every computer connects to this single backbone using a short little wire called a drop cable. Because it uses so little wire, it is incredibly cheap and simple to set up. But how does a message actually travel through this single wire? Let's say computer A wants to send a picture to computer D. Computer A drops the message onto the backbone, and the signal travels outward in both directions, passing every single connection. A common misconception is that the wire magically bends the message straight to computer D. In reality, because they share the same hallway, everybody hears the message. But the computers check the envelope, and if their name isn't on it, they just ignore it, while computer D happily accepts it. Pause here and predict. What happens when that electrical signal reaches the bare ends of the wire? If the ends are open, the signal bounces back like an echo in an empty room, causing complete chaos. To fix this, we put special plugs on the ends called Terminators, which act like sponges to absorb the signal so it doesn't echo. Now here is the big catch. What if 2 computers try to talk at the exact same time? Their signals crash into each other on the wire, which is called a collision, and both messages are destroyed. Because they share one single hallway, the computers have to politely listen to the line and take turns talking. So a bus topology is simply a single shared backbone cable that all devices tap into. It is extremely cheap and easy to build, but it can get crowded and slow if too many devices try to talk at once. Just like a real hallway, as long as everyone listens and takes turns, the whole system stays perfectly connected.